So let's go through a basic solution. The method that we're going to learn is the layer by layer method, and we'll start from the bottom where we'll have the white face. Notice the white cube square in the middle. And we'll go layer by layer from the bottom face to the bottom layer, to the middle layer, to the top layer, and then to the top face. So let's get started. Step one is to form the white cross on the bottom. And to do that, we're actually going to make the north, east, south, and west plus on the top face, which is the yellow face. Notice that that's exactly opposite the white face. So we'll move all of these middle edge pieces. So now we have a white plus on the top face. And the next step is to rotate these white pieces to the bottom. You'll notice that this piece on the top is the white and blue middle edge piece. It can only go in one place, directly next to the blue middle square on the blue face. So once you line these up, you can turn it to the bottom, and now you'll see that on the white face, we have the white middle edge piece that's also the blue middle edge piece. So this is the only place that this edge piece can go because it's the white and the blue edge piece. So let's do these for the rest. So here we have the green and white edge piece, which means we need to rotate it to the green side. And we'll just flip this down to the bottom. And now you'll see that we have two edge pieces on the bottom. And this green and white edge piece can only go here between the white and the green faces. We'll do the rest for the orange. And then we'll do one more for the red, making sure we line up these two colors. And now we have the white plus on the bottom. The next step is to do each of the four corners of the cube. So we'll look for an easy cube location here, and we're going to match up this. So this cube right here, this piece on the corner, is the blue, orange, and white piece. It can only go here between the blue side, the orange side, and the white side. So it has to go here. So we're going to line these up. We'll bring it down. And now this is in exactly the right place. We'll do this for the rest of the corners. And now we have the entire bottom face solved in addition to the entire bottom layer. Next, we're going to solve the middle layer. And we will we'll be swapping pieces from the top face to the side to the middle layer. And that's all we're doing here. Don't worry, the steps will go through all of this in detail, but just for introductory purposes, I wanted to go through the entire sequence of steps. So now we have the bottom face, the bottom layer, and now the middle layer is solved. And now we're going to solve the top face first. And this is an algorithm. It's one of the only three you'll have to learn that rotates the yellow pieces around the top until we get all of them solved like this. The next step is to make sure that each of the corners are in the right place, and we got lucky in this solution that they are. So the last step is to rotate these middle edge pieces all the way around in a triangle shape until we get them in the right position. So we move them around once, and we'll do it again. And that solves the cube. So this was the layer by layer solution, starting with the bottom face, the bottom layer, the middle layer, the top face, the top corners, and then the top edge pieces, and the cube is solved.